Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up AutoHotkey for Roblox. First, download AutoHotkey from its official website to ensure you get the latest stable version. Once downloaded, run the installer and choose the Express installation for a quick setup. After installation, right-click on your desktop, select New, and then AutoHotkey Script to create a new script file. This file will hold your custom commands. Now, let's write your first script. Right-click your new AutoHotkey script file and choose Edit Script to open it in Notepad or another text editor. You can add simple commands, for example, send B will make pressing a send B. Save the file after adding your desired commands. To activate your script, simply double-click the file. A green H icon will appear in your system tray, indicating it's running. For more advanced use with Roblox, you can make your scripts context-specific. Use the if-when active command followed by Roblox to ensure your script only runs when the Roblox window is active. This prevents unintended key remapping in other applications. You can then implement complex macros for in-game actions, like automated movements or chat commands. Always test your scripts thoroughly within Roblox to confirm they work as expected and do not interfere with gameplay. If your script isn't working, first check your system tray for the green H icon to confirm it's running. If you make changes to your script, remember to save the file and then right-click the tray icon and select Reload Script for the changes to take effect. Sometimes, antivirus software can interfere, so ensure AutoHotkey is whitelisted. For more tips and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below for a link and other great deals. Optimizing your scripts can greatly enhance your Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.